So you can see the difference. So these ones are glittering so much because they have begun to absorb in the soil. You see? Now we are going to see those we have just put on. Let us put and see. You've seen these ones we already put. They are glittering. They are beginning to absorb soil. But let's put this is how good this fertilizer is, that it during rain season it penetrates fast in the soil. You see, these ones are not glittering because we've just put them, but after some few minutes it will begin absorbing in the soil. That's how it absorbs in the soil, by beginning to melt. When it begins to melt, it's absorbing, and it does well in rainy season. When it's rainy season, it really does well as fast as possible, and it absorbs faster in the soil.